Say bye, my eyes fat as fuck.
He was taking out his trash, yo.
Liquor, children in England, no say that Beating man is a very light person.
I'm one of the baddest chefs in Jamaica.
Welcome to the countdown. Yeah. Alright. 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 Welcome to the social media countdown. Alright. Yeah. Take it easy. Alright. Watch her. Watch her. Box cover, this is DuttyBerry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. Burritos, we have some exciting topics, we have some good stuff to go and share. So make sure to sit back, relax, and while you're not relaxed, please to go and subscribe. Because I do not know why it is so hard for getting to subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get to 300,000 subscribers. Come on, subscribe. I'm gonna wait. May I wait for about 10 seconds? Come on, man. May I go and wait? Big up to the people who are on TikTok or watch who are on the live right now and who will be watching after the live. So, alright? Okay, well, anyhow, let's get into this week's top 10.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Najeri apologizes.
Float from another battle poor, I travel close.
Alright, burrito, so dancehall artist Najeri, we know him from the Paddleboard song, but recently on the last social media countdown, we talked about the video where him did push a fan running on the stage. And so the public did very much upset with him for that take. But since then, it looked like some people in them can talk to him. And in a recent performance, he took to the stage and took some time to apologize to the woman and to his fans.
Proud of the performance, but at the same time, proud of the represent the all our wonderful, beautiful ladies there. I want to know, say, Bob does not, and I repeat, does not condone, tolerate, or promote violence against women in any way, shape, or form. Indeed, yes, but at the same time, we have to promote self-protection, boundaries, and personal space. Indeed, but at the same time, I ain't idea night before the play.
That is it, John Najeri. That is it. That is it. Me like saying if I go on ignorant, say just quick and fast talk about the situation and you just leave it there so and hopefully you can go on and just do better with how you handle a crowd. So that is all and well. And in the midst of that, the young lady who did so excited and so frightened that run up on the stage, apparently her name is Cass. And so she took to social media to, I guess, share her side of the story.
It already happened already, and I'm not gonna like sob about it. Yes, I'm ashamed, but it happened. He apologized, so it's good. He apologized, move on.
Well, I guess all is well that ends well. So let me know, burritos, what did you make of his apology? Are you fully accepting it now? And what do you think about the girl Cass sharing? Sound off in the comments. Number 9, Danger Zaga. Me answer. Alright, now so dancehall artist The Angel was recently on Jeffrey's YouTube channel for you know him have Let's Be Honest and Toxic Talk. So she was the recent guest and boy oh boy, and she talk up some things about Beating man as it relates to her relationship status. Take a listen.
Him say man keep birthday party for you and him find out say him and other man keep the party.
Him is a liar. Everybody knows him a liar. Look at children in England. Liquor, children in England know say that Beating man is a very liar person. So nobody, people can't believe what him say. Like seriously?
What? I met him. I haven't met him that much to know if he's a.
Personally, people know him a liar. He may talk one thing same time, same way. He talk things. If he tell one thing today, tomorrow he tell one different story. Story tell true lies. Hello. Hello.
Oh my God, Jesus, Pim, no, like, Dangerous said down to the pit in England, no Sabini man lie, like, honestly, right about now, Jeffrey should just call up the rest of Sabini man, woman them, like, Crystal Tomlinson, Colleen, and just see if there can be a consensus.
This is what you need to do. You need to stay out of women's business.
So, she then went on to talk about a relationship.
Man, at least I'm a problem. For true, man, at least I'm a problem. It's all about me. Right now, I'm on the go. You understand what I say? I try to make my money and try to start up myself and secure my life or figure me and my son. Me not time for no man to come in that space there. Because listen, me meet man, you know, but them come to tear me down. And it just reminds me of situations that I've been through.
So honestly, that was just another exciting interview, because one thing that you cannot take away from the Angel is the fact that the girl knows how to bring it. Like, she's always engaging. You know, you have some dancehall artists, them just don't know how to give the little oomph, oomph, oomph. The Angel knows when I interview time, when I stage time, how to give the flavor, the little something that as an artist, she have that. I'm always, I forgot big up her for that, as well as her consistency. Because a long time people that count out the Angel and things that shouldn't be in the dancehall space now, but this girl still managed to fight for her position in the dancehall space. And so you always have to just, you know, applaud her and commend her for that. Well, anyway, Burritos, what do you make of the Angel comments towards Beanie Man? You think say is some trauma backup up there? Things that she still have feelings for him? Sound off in the comments.
There was a thing what happened at your wedding. I don't know if you want to talk about it. But like being there, I guess, speak.
Me can't in a life, have a life. I have my own life. Like I have my own identity. I have my own. So I'm not gonna talk about that for my life. I say me can't get the man. Leave me alone, no?
Number 8, container collapse. Me wanga. Okay, readers know. So this was just such a tragic and unfortunate event. Let me just go read you. So according to TVJ, a motorist was killed in Spanish Town after a container fell on his vehicle, crushing it. The mishap happened, you know, in the vicinity of the Grace Kennedy Distribution Center on Salt Pond Road around 2:30. The car was exiting the compound and the truck was entering when tragedy struck.
This is crazy.
No, honestly, like when I saw this, I was just dumbfounded. Like, me just never know where to think, because it's one of those things that like how, like it still cannot wrap my head around. Like, this is just such a rare freak accident. And the fact that, like, oh my God, man, when you look at the state of the car, and I just thought about, like, what I'm hearing is that people who were passers-by, they actually saw the man trying to exit the passenger side of the vehicle, but it would have been too late. And so it's one of them things, you know, like, when I see things like this, it just make me just reminded of my fear.
Guys, what you think me not like trailer? Me not like trailer, you know, not say me not like the driver, them, you know, but me not like trailer. You say me in a car and me decide that trailer, my friend. If I'm on a bike and I'm near a trailer, I'm fret. If me walk on a trailer drive past me, I'm fret. Can you imagine? The driver don't mean for do this, you know? The driver don't mean for crush the people in them car and look what happened. What got happen now to the driver?
So I don't know. I just condolences to this man's family and friends. Just so sad and so unfortunate. And boy, burritos, like. The random video of the week is sponsored by JM Talawas Transit Services Limited, located in St. Anne, offering car rental, chartering, and airport pickups anywhere in Jamaica. Call or WhatsApp 876-205-7759 or email jmtalawa@gmail.com for more details. Now, here is this week's random video of the week.
Do y'all believe they Jamaican?
Which one is Jamaica? Lindsay. White people in us, sir.
Number 7, fearless swim me underwater. Okay, readers know. So this video comes courtesy of the TikTok channel Boss Spear Fishing. So this young man, he decided to venture onto what he calls one of the most dangerous islands them in Jamaica. So right there and then me I say, what the box foot is not this. So he details, I'm gonna show you the video them right after this. Him making his way across the treacherous waters over to the island so him can just get 2 pieces of coconut. Like, come on, man. Me never dare do that.
Right here, so me have some Cross, guys. Yeah, one youth. This happened like probably 7 years ago. You have some like 4 young persons, and them that try swim cross to go up on the island like what me I do. And unfortunately one of them drowned. You see it? So I don't recommend it. And well, here sir, we have saltwater crocodile, but like me I tell you, about 8 years ago, when they used to there abundantly, the people poison them out. So we now have whole heap again. You see it? But this water we have some Cross have shark and everything just still. You see it? Yeah, and when you see me I breathe so hard, the current strong, it always strong through this channel. You see it? Yeah, me almost reach Cross now, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, so me reach Cross the channel now so we can stand up. Yeah, man. Whoa! Yes, guys. Me don't have no water, so me take out my fin. So me have to look at jelly them. I see it. And one thing me forgot to carry my bag. So me have to go. I don't know how me I go put carry across the 2 jelly them. But me will find a way still. Yeah, man. See you soon, guys.
Yo, the brother is literally just doing his own Christopher Columbus thing, just to search the place, all because he want the piece of fruit them. Come on, man. And what was so impressive is that he's holding up the phone, I capture the journey while he must swing with the one hand and I go through them type of current. They're like, come on, man. If this is not a superhero, I do not know what is right now. Because come on, man.
I'll climb champ. Come out of water, guys. It's slippery. It's kind of hard to climb. Woo! Tired like a dog, so I didn't think I want the funny. When I go up in there, I see 2 more.
But yeah, man, so in the end, him get where he did want, and so like, boy, I'm just still impressed at the way he swam across to that piece of island. And so once again, like, these are the type of like content that I personally love to see, and there are so many content creators, YouTubers, TikTokers out there that are actually giving people a glimpse into their everyday lives, and something when we feel like we can't even pay for, we could even afford to pay for it if we really have the money based on the perspective that these guys and other creators are allowing us to see. So big up yourself, Boss Spear Fishing. Make sure you go and follow him on his social media. And now it is time for the Big Up segment. Alright, so first up on the Big Up segment, I have to go and announce that I will be reviewing the new season of Bala. No matter what the facts say, I'm a bit late. Like, boy, I've been busy trying to sort out so many different things. But I will be taking on the review of Bala for season 3. So make sure you go and look out for that. I will post on the DaBaby Show page when the first few episodes will be out. Number 6, entertainment awards. Me prime time. Okay, so this is a story as it relates to the two big media moguls them in Jamaica. May I talk about Anthony Miller, Mr. Entertainment Report on TVJ, and Winford Williams of On Stage that airs on CVM TV. So recently, entertainment journalist, son of Winford Williams, Jason Williams, he posted this to his social media, and it definitely got people talking. So he said, all these years in media and so much contributions to the entertainment landscape, and no government of Jamaica has seen it fit to give Winford nor Anthony Miller even a merit for their contributions. Kiss my teeth.
That me say.
Okay, my God. So, so the timing of this is just like, the timing of this is just really good because the national awards are coming up, on Heroes Day where the people them go up there and the little thing and then the little thing I hear Faye Ellington there. And now Miss Norma Grant, working in nursing for 43 years. Miss Norma Grant works at, when Faye Ellington do fair advice, me can't do it so good, but that are the thing, and the people them go up there, and sometimes you have the people them in the wheelchair where I saw them a walk because they finally decide so them are going to give them the award like 2 days before them turn 100. The little settings go on. Anyway, so some announcement has been made about possible people who are going to be getting recognized during the national honors on Heroes Day. And so Jason looked on that and I said, yo, why year after year and all, no, nobody can look at Anthony Miller or pan Winford Williams. What a guan.
Many fresh faces, but how many sustainable careers? Tonight, Downsound's Scatter Burrell on developing young talent and why he isn't releasing any new music at present.
Here now is our story on Aidonia's appearance on a US stage for the first.
We see other musicians, we see people that get it. What about the entertainment media people them? What go on there? So, and to that point, I'm just like, you make sense? You make sense because right there and then I started to think, I say, yo, them really never get it for true because in my mind, I feel like them man they get them acknowledgement from long time. But once again, Jamaica tends to be missing the mark as it comes on to especially out of these niche spaces that really do add value to the overall cultural capital of the country. Entertainment journal, like literally, and them people ability and set the thing in a particular way in a Jamaica. And I would not be here doing what I am doing if me never see somebody like a Winford Williams and an Anthony Miller. And then people that paved the way for me, for the Nightly Fix Them, for the J Frey podcast. All of these people have literally set a foundation and have done so much to elevate entertainment and journalism and just the culture and bring all of that to the diaspora and to the world at large. And I feel like these people, to me, them people, they are superstar. Them people, they are superstar because especially at that time, to be doing something so out of the box. Remember, just what the pop culture start to take off, in America, like basically in the 2000s, you could have a space for like a Wendy Williams and them something there. And so for them man here actually did jump ahead of the gun and bring the thing there and try to develop that type of thing here from in the 90s. Before it became like, oh, you have one bag of Pink Wall and Daydream and Quest Times and all kind of stuff. They were giving that to the country from way before it was even a thing and popular. And so, them people, they must get them recognition, man. So, if other people are going to get it, put them in the conversation. You don't need to wait for 10 more years, feet. It's like we've seen their impact, and their impact is literally, yeah, look on the impact right now of them brother there. Okay? And so that is just my 2 cents, So definitely agree with Jason. It's about time that both of them get their recognition for their contribution to and changing the game. That's all I have to say. All right? But readers, let me know if you agree with me, if you agree with Jason, or if you disagree. Sound off in the comments so we can debate. Okay? Number 5, rate me. Okay, readers, so this video comes courtesy of the TikTok page, Playbook Tropics. Now, the young man, what him start to do is going to these parties, these events, and asking patrons to rate themselves and to rate somebody who is pictured. Right? And so, you know, say people are going to do them under them vibes now. Somebody come up and say, yo, how much you rate the girl here? And you can say, oh, you know, me give her a 5 out of 10, me give her a 10 out of 10. You know, just that type of vibe. It's supposed to be fun, simple, outgoing, you know, vibes. And so he's been making the rounds to several parties. And trust me, people, this is just some good content.
I watch this. I don't worry about them, man. Remember, say hot girl, baby, hot girl. But wait, where's she there right now? How much you rate these guys out of 10?
7.
What?
7 out of 10. The one in the yellow shorts, 8. The other one, 7.
How much you rate yourself out of 10?
Me easy back, no need for chat and squeeze.
So my baby mother there, I'm too. So what you know? How much you rate yourself out of 10? Oh, me? Yeah. Bro, God, I'm a 10. So if I ask the next girl, if you see the master the same. Yeah, cause watch you know, I'm gonna tell you why. Polo, and white Air Force. Brawling body. Brawling.
But no, man, your confidence supposed to up if you can just go up there and say, yo, you know, send me a 10 out of 10. And then when your picture get taken, when them carry your pictures to somebody else, the people them must say, boy, yeah, man, a 2 out of 10 me I give them. Me not have them type of confidence. The shame gonna kill me. Because when me don't go find my best picture and make sure so go fix up and all kind of something. Before that, me I'll go up on the ground and do little crunches and then sit up and then go something there and find my good angle and get one little lighter come out of stadium so everything just look. You know? Before me can submit my picture for somebody rate me like, not on the spot just so, nervous.
How much you rate that girl out of 10?
9.
9?
That is it.
Why you say that?
Every woman look good in my eyes. 9.
So while me I look on the video now, me book up one of my videographer bridging them and editor bridging them by the name of Jemar. And me I realize, so wait.
How much you rate that you out of 10?
Rest. Me give him a 8.6. That man look good. Me give him a 8.6, mommy. Give him a 10 plus 10 plus 10. Nice chocolate. You know his height? Him get a 20. Him get a 20.
And so the brother go get a good rating now. And who tell the girl for a game that boy head swell up? All of a sudden you call him, you hear a receptionist answer the phone. And so right now, burritos, I'm going to post a picture of myself. I'm going to rate me. And remember, if you're not giving a bad rating, I'm not giving no more countdown for the rest of the year. I'm not going to more event or interview no artists. So, yeah, just rate me right here. Oh, I'm supposed to go ahead. I'll look in the comments. All right. Number 4, unfair arrest. Me wrong bang. Okay, burritos know. So, you know, this is one of the things that might get me, you know, just like so upset, especially with the landscape and just the racial tone in America. So I saw this video while just scrolling past my timeline with a young, a preteen, I think he's about 12 years old, that was just doing a routine chore. He was just emptying the trash when a group of police officers just like pounced upon him and wanted to arrest him. No, his father had to intervene and I tried to call the situation, and boy oh boy, like honestly, if I did me as the father, I know my head would have chip. Take a look.
Yo, that was the wrong shit, you know? But what the kid do, though?
So you see, while me I look on the video, something about how the brother just walk, you know, how the father walk and a pace. Me I say, no man, this look a little bit Donovan-ish. Something about this just look like Rayman. Something about this look like a Linval. Something about the little step in me I say, this is a Jamaican right here. So I'm going to say, but boy, I'm not knowing about something just about the presence and the walk and the pacing is a Jamaican. And then lo and behold, I heard this moment.
Got the K9 and shit.
You cannot trick me. You cannot trick me.
See that? Seal it, seal. Me I tell you now, I don't know how Jamaican people just boy, oh boy. And I say Jamaican people, me I feel sorry for you to take this bad situation. We just have to in a something. I am pretty sure if you could have interviewed all of the people them who did in the Alabama brawl and who lift up the chair, all kind of things, me can bet you say any money one Jamaican did in the midst of fight. Me I tell you, like, we don't know. But in the end, the boy was actually released, but I'm sure the whole trauma of this entire situation is something that will be long lasting. Like, he's not going to forget that moment. Number 3, Brittany Beating. Me paddle boat. Okay, now, so, you know, last time I mentioned about Brittany, about Nicki Minaj jumping on her live, like Brittany Goffe, the social media personality. For many of you who don't know her, she's a TikTok personality. Just think about how they have the Cliff Twangs, the Mackerel, the Rosie, Tottigran, all of these type of personalities that you have come to see on social media. She is one of the most popular ones representing for Jamaican TikTok. Alright, so that's for the older people who might not know who she is. Okay, so anyway, so on the last countdown, we talk about the fact that Nicki Minaj, you know, appeared on her live and showed her with some gifts. And just a week later, it seems as if all of that praise and all of that love and everything being at peace, it now gone upside down because Brittany Goffe was beaten after attending a party.
So you know what I want niggas to pay for what they did to me, you feel me? I want niggas to pay back. My eyes fat as fuck, my eyes bruised up.
Probably I wonder how the whole of this started. So what I am gathering based on some comments on several social media pages and from patrons who were actually there detailing the event, it's alleged that Brittany, she went to the party and she started drinking. And, you know, it's alleged that after she started drinking, she started to walk around and being mischievous. And so people, for the most part, ignored her until she started to really get a lot more intense with her actions and how she was relating with patrons.
So what I am hearing is that as it relates to Brittany Goffe, how she ended up get attacked at the party was that she was interfering with a selector while he was doing his set, and the selector they just get tired of her at some point and he reacted and then he just started to do the most.
Lord Jesus.
And so Brittany, of course, she went on social media. She let people know, say she was robbed, she was beaten. And in the middle of all of that, Brittany did tell some people who actually tried to help her. She did tell them off.
I know my bottom. Yeah, taxi! My bag! Yo, them niggas blocking my taxi, you feel me? Because they want me to die. Yeah, bro, don't come in my camera. Who the fuck you think you is? Yeah, I know. Yeah. Yeah, I do. Yeah, taxi!
And then the selector shared his side of the story.
Sure no, say me no put my foot on Brit. Brit is my friend. She want the mic, me say me nah get her, she chuck me again. She a chuck me, so me go so boom and me say, alright, you see, if you chuck me again, if you lick me again, me I'll lick your back. Yeah, I know me not give her 2 lick. You see me? And she come, boom, again. So me have to lick her back. When me lick her back now, it look like somebody a beat her because she grab on pa my shirt now with my bag, my much $1,000 chain, she bust off, make it gone.
Alright, so yes, the selector definitely wrong. Like, I think him supposed to OD with how him handle Brittany because everybody knows that Brittany is, yeah, she's just Brittany. But for Brittany, Brittany needs handlers. She needs some people around her where I tell her, say, yo, do not drink. Because when my girl intoxicated, what I am gathering is that she tends to be very aggressive. And she will just lash out at people like that. And everybody are going to have that sort of empathy and understanding, say, she might have go through her own mental situation. And everybody are going to give themselves to giving her that blight.
No, you're right.
And for who are asking me what happened, you saw what happened in the videos. Because they know one is famous, they try to, you know, I tell ability you when you're outside.
I do feel bad for her. I think this girl does need help, but I don't think the people who are on social media are able to provide the help that she needs, because it's one thing when you can just give somebody a bottle of water because they're thirsty. But when you basically have to give day-to-day care and it's going to be ongoing, the people the spectators on the sideline, they're not able to invest their time and energy like that on somebody who today them seem alright and then the next minute it's just going to be complete chaos. And so it is very unfortunate that Brittany is in this situation but I don't know, I think this monster of social media being TikTok that is able to, she's able to monetize the chaos. I think that is a problem in and of itself, because really and truly, people are there and are following her on her live. It's because she's unpredictable. You never know what the girl might do next. This minute she cuss off somebody, then she come back around, she says something and you're like, boy, so she have sense. And then the next minute you have to wonder if it's all an act, if it's all pretense. You do not know the real from the fake, the true from the untruth. You don't know how to really fully conceptualize who Brittany Goffe is. And I think that mystery and that type of thing is what pulls people to her. But if we really help her, it would mean that we disengage from her online and actually set her up with some proper people who are really there to balance her levels. That is what I think is best. But social media, we're not here feet, because we're there for vibes and excitement and the ray, and so they'll continuously feed that sort of negative energy, and it just spells bad for Brittany. But boy, oh boy, let me know, Burritos, what you think of this entire situation. Number 2, Valiant cooking. All right. No, honestly, I have to just go say about Valiant. Valiant is one of the best dancehall personas that I've seen in a long while. Like the sort of personality that a lot of dancehall artists feel as if they have to portray on a day-to-day basis, like, yo, me a bad man and I do all of the gang them have and this, I'm gonna smile, yeah, yeah, man, me not deal with this, yeah, ignorant, yeah, man, me dark, me don't know if you read that right, what that man, me not smile, me don't know nothing name humor, what that, yeah, man, that type of personality about the dancehall artist them tend to just walk with and feel like the one type of demeanor and posturing you can have in the dancehall space. And so when Valiant boss, the man just jump in and say, hey, what? You know about confidence and hype and them something here? Watch a new style here. Humility! When you see the 115 million different man, them and army and all kind of stuff and Valiant just say, friends, team, limited. You have to say, no man, what this? When the one bag of dancehall artists them a walk around with them draw long down like an embassy line, Valiant just jump in and say, watch K9s, watch incisors, watch wisdom. When the dancehall artists them a do interview and them just talk on one piece of syllable and one line. Yeah. Valiant come in and say, let there be sentences. Jesus, people, like, honestly. So just for that, I'm not even talk about the man lyrical ability and the fact say him is just like a dynamic dancehall artist. Just that alone set Valiant away from the rest. So round of applause. Jesus Prime, man. You have to give unto Caesar what is due to Caesar. So Valiant, he appeared on Digicel's video, Cooking with Valiant, where he was preparing a meal of what it seems to be corned beef and rice. And trust me, the whole entire clip was just humor after humor. Like, honestly, this brother just needs a reality show right about now.
So, I basically eat this. I'm one of the baddest chefs in Jamaica. I consider myself that, and I just shared my talent with you, one of my secret talent, if I didn't get the break in music. People in this over my box and make me feel like I can't cook. You know my neck, steel and silent. And this is my grandmother do still, and I don't know what me come up with.
But you know the part that hit me was the part where him done cook the meal now and I eat it and I realize how much pepper him did really put in there.
It was much like that. I'm good. I feel like I cut up the season them too big. Cause I can't really get
find the corned beef, like a season my cook. I mean, I bun me with pepper and it's it's nice still. Who like pepper food? Yeah, them a bun me. I don't know, yeah, them a onion. I'm eating, I'm hungry. I'm not stop at no KFC or nowhere. Look at me here. Me I tell you say that. Me say to what is that? Right now, me don't know no man can tell me nothing.
You know, honestly, for me, you know, I mean, I eat it. Like, I eat pepper. I literally hate pepper. Cannot survive it. I don't know how some people, once they get food, they must dunk on one bag of pepper in there. Give me ketchup any day, not pepper. Jesus, P, man. But yes, so that was the video, Burritos. Just let me know if you enjoyed it and what you think of Valiant's personality. Sound off in the comments.
Zaga, this is Beating Man representing for DuttyBerryShow. You never know. We don't play that, know. Zaga.
And number one goes to YanYan is back! And number one, my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to the return of YanYan. Now, you might not know who Yannick is, but YanYan was this woman who she often frequented the streets of New Kingston, and people know her for walking around begging money and all of these things. She was homeless, right? Walking around, beg money. People said that she wanted money so she could take it and go buy coke and all of these things. And if you don't even remember the situation where a man was confronted by YanYan and he felt threatened, so he popped out his licensed firearm and aimed it at her. You remember that moment? Yes, man, she are the same woman that did come up to him. So Yannick, you know her in this state, right?
Try not to say come now.
How are your face? How are your face?
Yeah?
How are your face?
Catch up on my face.
I make up your face. Stop make up your face.
Alright, sir.
Smile.
Nick in New Kingston.
You're not top tech.
You're not stop.
If me not give me 100 then.
You're not buying 100 coke.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy coke. You can't find none. For next time.
About the place from person to person, and everybody video because she have a personality, she have a light where even though in her situation, she just have a spirit where I guess people gravitate to, right? And so she's been in that state now, and I realize say some months pass, some time pass, and when I really see her up on social media, we not see nobody take no video of her on the road. And so all of a sudden, we end up finding out say she was actually at the Bellevue. She's been down there and they have been rehabilitating her and restoring her health. This is the new Yannick. Take a look. No man. This, who could it be? Who could it be but God? Like, honestly, this is just a miracle. This is amazing. Like, so many people online started to repost, share the video, and just in awe of her transformation. Like, honestly, like, I'm just so shocked. Like, this is the girl, you know. Like, this is what she looked like back then, and I'm sure she's gone through life. So many things might have happened. I don't really know the fullness of her story, but like, what I can say is that for a lot of the church people and some of the supporters and her well-wishers who really encouraged her and assisted her, one of them, people were praying for her and her transformation. One of them is the evangelist, Jaziel Clark, I hope I'm getting his name correctly, who spoke so much into her life. I'm gonna ask you, say the man your words never did actually hit some place and reach up a God Ace temple and then just say, all right, then me go do the look do during the corona period.
Wait, you done everything. I want back to challenge you though. I saw Thursday today. Eh? Mighty God, Sister Yan.
I'm gonna leave have water.
What me I call it is Sister Yan.
Yes.
You hear me? You're not just Yannick, you're not a mad woman. You say you were baptized, so you are God's daughter. Yeah? Yeah. Last time I saw you, my name is Jazeel Clark, by the way. If you don't remember Jazeel Clark, call me servant of God. Call me man of God. Sure do. You see you look pretty? God going to transform you.
I smoke cigarette and I take the raw rum and rock my teeth.
Don't worry. God is going to transform you back here. But prayer and God is going to do it. So
and you had other people, you know, Christians who spoke to her as well. And so it's just a really good feeling to see that this girl, she seems as if she's on the right track.
Yeah, this is YanYan. Her name is Yanit now. Turn on. People them say, look how you look nice.
Yes, man, that is just so amazing. So, burritos, when you're watching, make sure you say on sound off in the comments, you know, and make me know when you think about Yannick's transformation. All right. Well, that is it. We've come to the end of another top 10 social media countdown. Make sure you say you go and like, hit the thumbs up button. Yes, man, leave a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite part of the social media countdown. Don't forget to share the video as well as to subscribe. Thank you very much. Also, when you've done that, follow me on my social media at DuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. For hosting and other bookings, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, I will have me not a week, yo, just tune in, zine.